Ready to go on your next adventure? With the Hiace One, the road is yours to explore. From effortless setup to ultimate comfort, this camper van is your perfect travel companion. Let's take a closer look at what makes Hiace One your gateway to freedom. The first step to start a free van life. The base vehicle for Hiace One is the Toyota Hiace. With an overall length of 4.7 meters, an overall width of 1.7 meters, and an overall height of approximately 2 meters, it is a perfect combination of compact size and spacious comfort. This vehicle is a camper with side awnings. It is easy to set up and take down, providing time for meaningful enjoyment and comfort. The Revo seats are specially designed for campers and can be deployed forward, backward, or flat. Driving mode is forward-facing and seats 3. Living mode is rear-facing and provides more space. Luggage can also be stored securely. In bed mode, 2 adults can sleep spaciously. Removable living room table and low sofa. Convenient for loading and unloading luggage or doing small work in the car. Next, we will introduce some useful functions. Main switch. The interior light switch is located in the cabinet just inside the left side sliding door. A digital voltmeter and 100V outlet are also located in this position. Refrigerator. The refrigerator can be used in the living room or when the bed is unfolded. It is also conveniently located for taking out from outside. FF heater heats even when the engine is stopped, using power from the sub-battery and fuel from the vehicle. Sink and shower head located at the end of the left cabinet. The telescopic shower head can be used as an external shower by opening the back door and pulling it out. External charging capability. Easy power supply at campsites, rest areas, etc. With its spacious design and convenient features, the Hiace One brings a new style to your travels. Discover the wonders of Japanese camper vans. We offer camper van rentals at 4 locations in Kanagawa Prefecture. When you visit Japan, why not explore the beautiful scenery at your leisure in a camper van? Other popular models such as Baden and Toy Box are also available. Our camper vans promise a flexible and comfortable trip. Experience Japan like never before. Want to buy Hiace One? We, Toyota Weins Export, will deliver to your country. Please contact us.